Welcome guys. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can download YouTube videos on your device for free. So, let's get started. Firstly, click on the link given in the description. Now just paste the link of that video here you want to download. And now, if you want to download a video in MP4, make sure to press this button and hit on download. And if you want to download a video in MP3 format, then just paste the link of that video and set it as MP3 and hit on download. Then it will start processing the video. And now hit on download. It may redirect you to a new page, simply close that page. And now, again hit on download, and your file will start downloading. Currently, I have downloaded an MP3 file, but you will have to follow the same steps to download an MP4 video. And let me just open the downloaded file. So, that's all I got for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, because this will help me a lot. And if you want a video on any topic, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to set up a live or animated wallpaper like this, just click on the link given in the description.